Hello. Today, we are going to look at how Copilot is moving beyond chat into the apps you use every day, with agentic capabilities that make it a true collaborator. You've probably started hearing the term Work IQ. Think of it as the intelligence layer that makes Copilot work-specific. Unlike general AI tools, Copilot understands your role, your company, and your workflow. It connects to the web, your work data, and integrates seamlessly with your daily tasks, all with enterprise-grade security and compliance. Let's start with Outlook, where most of us begin our day. Copilot now helps you triage emails with voice, summarizing, flagging, even drafting replies you can interrupt mid-flow. It also proactively schedules meetings, rebooks rooms if conflicts arise, and drafts intelligent agendas using Work IQ. And when it's time to prep, Copilot surfaces insights, generates talking points, and adapts to your personal prep style. It's like having a partner who knows how you work best. Here's how Copilot in Outlook Mobile streamlines your morning routine. With Voice Catch-up, Copilot summarizes your emails, lets you pin important messages, and drafts replies you can review later. It's proactive, conversational, and adapts to your workflow, so you spend less time sorting and more time acting on what matters. Scheduling is now effortless. Copilot can proactively reschedule meetings if conflicts arise, book rooms in one click, and draft agendas grounded in your work context. It checks availability, rebooks rooms if needed, and ensures your meetings are always prepared with relevant insights and materials. What's powerful is that this experience is unified across Microsoft 365. Whether you're in Outlook, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, Copilot follows you with persistent chat and agent mode. Instead of copy-pasting from chat, you describe your goal, and Copilot orchestrates the steps directly inside the app. This unlocks endless scenarios within your productivity apps, whether drafting a full paper, building a complex spreadsheet model, or creating a beautiful presentation, starting with a simple prompt. Now let's talk PowerPoint. Creating polished on-brand decks used to take hours. With Copilot, you simply give a prompt. Let's see Copilot's Create a Presentation feature in action. You start with a simple prompt, pull in relevant sources, and Copilot generates an outline, matches your preferred tone, and applies brand-approved visuals. You can adjust the length and style, and Copilot builds a deck that's ready to deliver. Fast, creative, and always on brand. And editing? Agent mode acts like a co-author. You ask for changes conversationally, and it refines slides, aligns layouts, and keeps formatting consistent. Less time fixing slides, more time telling your story. Excel is iconic, the grid we all know, but the learning curve can be steep. Copilot changes that. In agent mode, you can ask for a 12-month budget with best, worst, and average scenarios. Copilot builds it, verifies formulas, and even adds a drop-down to flip between cases. Or take messy financial data, one prompt, and Copilot creates an executive dashboard with charts and key metrics. Agent mode brings an expert Excel partner into your workbook, ready to work for you. Copilot goes beyond answering questions. It collaborates, plans, and verifies results using an agentic reasoning loop. You get dynamic models, scenario analysis, and dashboards, all built directly in Excel. Here's a real example. Copilot lays out key parameters, builds a dynamic financial model, and lets you flip between scenarios with a drop-down. It verifies formulas, updates charts, and creates reusable workbooks you can share with your team. Okay, let's talk about Word. Just like agent mode in Excel, agent mode in Word gives you a collaborative partner that can work directly in your document to create, refine, and format things the way you want through simple conversation, and also to bring all of your workplace knowledge with it. So what's the big picture? Copilot is no longer just an assistant, it's a collaborator. Powered by Work IQ and agent mode, it helps you draft, analyze, and create across Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. The vision is simple. Collapse complex workflows into natural language prompts so you can focus on impact, not mechanics. That's the future of productivity. Thank you for listening. For more details, please visit the full-length session.